And Medina returns from Esqueda. Final 2 minutes. Manzano against Cannon. Binigay kay Yero. 3. Yes!
Big shot by Yero. That's his first converted shot here in the ball game. 3 points for Yero. Comes in the most crucial part, yung panlamang.
Tumaho against Yero na agaw ni Joshua Yero.
Big defensive stop there by Yero. And ano doon is penalty na rin ng Marikina. So Yero will be given 2 free throws.
Grabe. Out of the double team, ang ganda ng desisyon doon ni Said Manzano.
Oo.
Yero trying to extend this lead. One for two para kay Joshua Yero, and right now it's a 4-point lead para dito sa Quezon Huskers. Bola ng Marikina. When we return, they have called a timeout here. Seryoso pala nila.
Hindi, kala ko nga pre-season lang eh.
Ilagan Isabela, 5-star Cowboys set to debut against the Pasay Voyagers. Timaho.
Oh!
Ibang klase ka. Ngayon Timaho.
Grabe.
And the ability to create her own
Yes,
shot
oo.
off the bounce.
Tsaka mahirap yung tinira niya na yun, ha? Mahirap yun.
Yero. Oh!
Grabe.
7 straight points para kay Joshua Yero here.
Ilan ang 3 points ang dito sa game na to, overall? Ang dami na eh.
Andyan sa tabi mo. Medina misses. Yero secures the rebound. Tabi to Manzano. He is trapped. And it's a turnover.
Babalik ang bola dito sa Marikina Shoemasters. Good defensive stop by the Marikina Shoemasters.
Ibang klase yung tira ni Deo Timaho doon para mababa ang lamang. Pero ang bawi ni Joshua Yero. Another 3. 2 late threes here. Timaho to Cannon. Lander takes it and hits.
They're now only down by 2 points.
4-second differential. Game clock and shot clock. Both teams in penalty.
And the crowd there is going wild.
May timeout pa ang Quezon. Oy, nakaagaw. Marikina. Timaho for the lead. No! Nalata is fouled. And he will be sent to the free throw line.
Ang ganda ng action dito sa Paco Arena.
Sayang. Para kay Deo Timaho.
Minadali nila eh.
Well,
Yeah,
it was a great shot. It was an open shot. It was a great look.
Kasi ibang story yun. Kung pumasok yun, that's a different story.
Gusto ko rin yung dito eh. Yung, alam ko mainit ang aksyon at labanan sa preseason. Pero the players are really just enjoying yung competitive nature nitong laro natin.
Totoo yun. Hindi lang yung mga players, also the crowd. Kita mo naman yung reaction ng crowd.
And Lalata can make this a 4-point game. It's a 2-possession advantage for Marikina, for the Huskers rather. 83 to 79. 19.8 seconds remaining. Marikina will have the ball when we return. Escoto to inbound. Oh, Mosqueda.
Ganda!
Oh, hindi niya natapos. Medina. To Deo Timajo. Mosqueda. Oh, good catch by Medina. And that's it. That should be it.
I think that's it. That was
Iba-
a forced shot.
Yeah,
Yes.
iba klase yung depensa nila Lata doon sa taas, ha? Lahat yata ng shooter, binantayan niya. Yung ganyang kahaba, hindi ka rin makatira eh.
Oo.
Na maayos pag nandiyan si Chris Lalata.
Tsaka habulin ka talaga nila Lata eh.
Now, this guy right here, Joshua Yero. That's his 8th point, I think, in the last 3 minutes of all in the fourth quarter.
Yes, tsaka crucial yung dalawang 3 points niya eh. Yun yung nagano talaga eh. Nagbigay ng distance sa sa Quezon Huskers. 9 points for him. Only here, all in the fourth quarter.
Mosqueda will miss. And that will do it. The Quezon Huskers encounter a brief scare here, but they do come away with a huge win against the Marikina Shoemasters. The Marikina falls to 0-2, but they've set a warning shot to everyone in the preseason invitation of that who will earn player of the game.